If a business want to grow, one of the most powerful tool it could have at its disposal is a data warehouse. So what is this data warehouse system and why should a business use it? In this episode, I'm going to give you 3 principles and 1 bonus that I'm going to discuss at the end of this video. What's up everybody, welcome to Masterly Data. I'm Raza and on this channel help you become a data literate with Masterly Data strategy. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You'll get notified every single time I drop in an episode with data energy. I drop an episode 3 times a week to decode data and help you grow your data understanding. If you're already part of this community, welcome back. It's always awesome to see you over here. Principle number 1. What is a data warehouse? Data warehouse is simply a system designed to support data analytics and reporting. Data warehouses are intended to house organization-wide data, complete unified repository of information. Principle number 2, why does a business need a data warehouse? Let me talk a story to better explain this. You're in a SaaS business and selling a software. Boom! Your subscriptions are running all over. All your customer data is getting stored somewhere in IT systems, keywords somewhere. If not used, you have no idea what your customers are doing on your product, what are the demands, and so on and so forth. The consequences of that might be your upselling strategies would be untapped. Now that's the thing, right? It takes massive pain for an organization to establish as a business or get started with a business. Without doubt, they would not want to risk their growth on assumptions. So they need to analyze the business. They need to analyze the numbers that comes out of the business generated data such that their decisions are strategical. That's where data warehouse helps you grow in the organization. And when we talk about the ability of growth, different organizations might have a different growth strategy. Regardless, they fall in these 3 categories: product, customer, services. Now, let me pause for a second before we jump into the principle number 3 and the bonus 1. Are you started to seeing the value? If yes, can I please request you to smash that like button, because I like it, my team loves it, and so does the YouTube algorithm. Principle number 3, what is the usage of data warehouse? In my humble opinion, I am HO. Before we could understand the usage of data warehouse, let's look at the different systems that an organization or a business need for success. There are 3 categories of the system that every business would need. A is system of engagement. How are you going to do the business? What is your operation process? Right? That falls under the categories of system of engagement. There are different tools and technology that manage your operation processes. System of record. That is a system where you store all your operational data. Your business information has been stored in that particular system of records. So those are normally considered to be as operational databases or operational data. System of decision. The system of decision is where you have your growth strategy, where you analyze and understand how is your business going, and so that you can make a better decision. Indeed, there are 2 other supporting components like networking and security and infrastructure, but that pretty much falls under the category of IT. So the usage of data warehouse is to help a business grow through decision making. So it falls under the category of system of decisions, category C. Here's the bonus 1. What kind of data do we have in the data warehouse? Data warehouse is meant to hold historical information. It does have up-to-date information as well, but that historical information allow users to carry out trend analysis, better understand the customer segmentations or customer behavior. What is the churn rates towards your customer lifetime value? What is customer acquisition versus your customer retention, and many more WhatsApp analysis kind of thing. Right? But this is like garbage in and garbage out. If the data quality of your data warehouse has been compromised, your analysis is gonna get impacted, and ultimately your decisions are compromised. If you got the value from this episode, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm signing off. You would mean a world to me and my team, but if you're with us, you're gonna be masterly in data. Thank you.